Example 6. Find the derivative of f of x using the first principles at the point where x equals -1 for f of x equals 1 over 3 x squared plus 2x minus 1. Solution. To find the derivative of f of x at a specific point, x equals -1, we substitute -1 for x in. We can determine f of -1 plus h by substituting -1 plus h for x in the function f of x equals 1 over 3 x squared plus 2x minus 1. Taking out 1 over 3 as a common factor, we get, simplifying, we get f dashed -1 equals limit of 4h plus h squared over 3h as h tends to 0, taking out the common factor h, dividing the numerator and denominator by h, provided h does not equal 0, we get, therefore f dashed -1 equals 4 over 3. We have thus determined the gradient of the tangent to the function f of x equals 1 over 3 x squared plus 2x minus 1 at the point -1 f of -1.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.